Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Are you looking for the finest screen protectors for your Google Pixel Fold? We'll review the top screen protectors for the Google Pixel Fold and discuss why they're the best option for your phone in this video. On number 1, we have Spigen EZ Fit Screen Protector. The Spigen EZ Fit Screen Protector is a terrific option if you're searching for a screen protector that is simple to install and provides superior defense for your Google Pixel Fold. You won't even notice that this screen protector is there because it has been made of ultra-clear tempered glass. The straightforward installation procedure is what separates this screen protector from others. The Spigen EZ Fit Screen Protector includes a frame that consistently maintains excellent alignment and is made to exactly suit your Google Pixel Fold. Simply clean your phone's screen, put the frame over it, and press the protector into place. The Spigen EZ Fit Screen Protector will shield your Google Pixel Fold from dings, cracks, and other sorts of damage after it is inserted. With a hardness rating of 9H, the tempered glass is exceptionally durable and can survive even the most powerful blows. In addition, it has an oleophobic coating that deters fingerprints and smudges, maintaining the clear, crisp appearance of your screen. On number 2, we have Milomdoi Screen Protector. The Milomdoi Screen Protector is yet another excellent screen protector for your Google Pixel Fold. Because it is made of tempered glass, this protector is both exceptionally strong and extremely thin. It offers great resistance to impacts and scratches with a hardness rating of 9H while still keeping optimal touch sensitivity. Additionally, the screen protector has an oleophobic layer that keeps fingerprints, oil, and other smudges from sticking to your screen, keeping it spotless at all times. The Milomdoi Screen Protector's bubble-free adhesive makes for a smooth, flawless application and makes installation simple. There is no need to be concerned about obscuring the front-facing camera and sensors because the shield has perfect cutouts for them. A lifetime warranty is also included with the Milomdoi Screen Protector, giving you additional assurance that any flaws or problems are covered. On number 3, we have Miimall Screen Protector. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Miimall Screen Protector for the Google Pixel Fold is a great choice. Despite its affordable price tag, this screen protector offers high-quality protection against scratches, cracks, and smudges. Made with high-grade tempered glass, the Miimall Screen Protector provides full coverage of your phone's display while maintaining crystal-clear visibility. It's also designed to be ultra-thin and lightweight, so it won't add bulk or interfere with the touchscreen's sensitivity. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the included cleaning cloth, dust remover, and adhesive stickers. Plus, the Miimall Screen Protector comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can trust that your phone will always be protected. While this screen protector may not offer the same level of durability as some of the more expensive options on the market, it's a solid choice for those who want basic protection at a great price. Plus, with its sleek design and clear visibility, you won't even notice it's there. So these are some of the best screen protectors for Google Pixel Fold to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.